Water is one of the most important nutrients your body needs. Every organ, every cell, and every system depends on it to function properly. Yet one of the most common health questions remains: how much water do you really need? You've probably heard the advice to drink 8 glasses a day, but is that actually supported by science? In this video, we'll explore what research tells us about hydration, the factors that affect your water needs, the signs of dehydration, and practical tips to stay properly hydrated every day. The human body is made up of about 50–60% water. Water plays a role in almost every biological process. It helps regulate body temperature, transports nutrients, removes waste, lubricates joints, cushions organs, supports digestion, and keeps your brain functioning efficiently. Even mild dehydration can affect your energy, concentration, mood, and physical performance. That's why staying hydrated isn't just about avoiding thirst, it's about helping your body perform at its best. The recommendation to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day is easy to remember, but it isn't a universal scientific rule. Your ideal water intake depends on many factors, including your age, your body size, physical activity, climate and temperature, overall health, pregnancy or breastfeeding. Some people need much more than 8 glasses, while others may need less. Many people think hydration only comes from drinking water, but that's not true. Your daily water intake comes from 3 main sources: plain drinking water, other beverages like milk, tea, or coffee, water-rich foods such as fruits and vegetables. Foods like watermelon, cucumber, oranges, tomatoes, strawberries, and lettuce contain large amounts of water and contribute to your daily hydration. One of the best indicators of hydration is your body's natural thirst mechanism. For healthy adults, drinking when you're thirsty works well most of the time. However, older adults may not feel thirsty as easily, making regular water intake especially important. Athletes, outdoor workers, and people exercising in hot weather should also drink before they become thirsty because dehydration can occur quickly. Your body usually gives warning signs when hydration levels begin to drop. Common symptoms include dry mouth, headaches, fatigue, dizziness, dark yellow urine, dry skin, difficulty concentrating, muscle cramps. If dehydration becomes severe, it can become a medical emergency requiring immediate treatment. Surprisingly, yes. Although uncommon, drinking excessive amounts of water in a short period can dilute sodium levels in your blood. This condition is called water intoxication or hyponatremia. Symptoms may include nausea, confusion, swelling, severe headache, vomiting, seizures in extreme cases. This is most often seen in endurance athletes or people who force themselves to drink large amounts unnecessarily. The goal is balance, not too little and not too much. Health experts often suggest that total daily fluid intake, including beverages and water from foods, is roughly: women, around 2.7 liters, about 91 ounces. Men, around 3.7 liters, about 125 ounces. Remember, these numbers include fluids from food as well. If you're active, sweating heavily, or spending time in hot weather, your needs increase. A common myth is that coffee causes dehydration. The truth is that moderate coffee consumption still contributes to your daily fluid intake. While caffeine has a mild diuretic effect, regular coffee drinkers usually adapt, and coffee remains a source of hydration. The same applies to tea. However, sugary drinks should be consumed in moderation because excessive sugar intake may negatively affect overall health. Exercise increases water loss through sweat. For workouts lasting less than an hour, water is usually sufficient. For prolonged or intense exercise lasting more than an hour, especially in hot conditions, sports drinks containing electrolytes may sometimes be helpful to replace sodium and other minerals lost through sweat. The key is replacing the fluids you lose. Yes, urine color is one of the easiest ways to estimate hydration. Pale yellow usually indicates good hydration. Dark yellow or amber may suggest you need more fluids. Completely clear urine all day could mean you're drinking more water than necessary. Certain vitamins and medications can also affect urine color, so it isn't a perfect measure, but it's a useful guideline. Good hydration doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some simple habits. Start your morning with a glass of water. Carry a reusable water bottle. Drink before, during, and after exercise. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Increase fluids during hot weather. Drink extra water if you're sick with fever, vomiting, or diarrhea. Don't wait until you're extremely thirsty. Small habits practiced consistently make a big difference. Some people need to pay closer attention to hydration than others. Older adults may have a reduced sense of thirst. Children become dehydrated more quickly because of their smaller body size. Pregnant and breastfeeding women require additional fluids to support both mother and baby. People with certain medical conditions, including kidney disease or heart failure, should always follow their healthcare provider's advice regarding fluid intake. There isn't a single perfect number that fits everyone. Your body's water needs change from day to day depending on your activity, environment, diet, and health. Instead of chasing an exact number of glasses, focus on staying consistently hydrated. Drink regularly throughout the day, pay attention to your thirst, monitor the color of your urine, and adjust your intake when you're active or the weather is hot. Water is simple, inexpensive, and essential for life. Making hydration a daily habit can support your energy, concentration, physical performance, digestion, and overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more science-based health tips. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.